Hi friends, today I am going to discuss how to create a table view cell. Okay, let's start. So first we have to drag a UI table view cell in storyboard. This is the storyboard, and we have to go to the library, and we have to use the UI table views. Okay, then we have to create protocol type cell, prototype cell. It creates the cell. Mainly difference between UI table view and table view cell. Difference between in table view it is a default design. It is a default pattern. In table view cell we can customize the UI interface. So then I am in protocol in table view cell. I am adding a one library like UI label to display the text. I am giving the constraints also simultaneously. And we have I am giving the constraint further. Add a new constraint. I am removing the constraint for matching position. I am giving X position like 50 position 50 and Y upper position 50 and Z position right hand side left hand side I am giving 50 50 and lower position I am giving 50 and I am not mentioning the height and I am mentioning only width only. Okay. And I am going to create a UI table view class model view class by using Cocoa Touch, and next I am giving the UI table view class. My table view cell class. Okay. I am giving the naming for UI table view class. My table view cell class. And I am creating a table view cell for the identifier for the cell class. Creating for table view cell class. And I am giving the UI table view cell here. My table view cell. Identifier for the cell class. My second table view cell. Okay. Okay, let's start the coding. So where my array list equals to iOS, Angular, Python, Ionic, React.js, Flutter, mainframes, cloud computing. So I am declaring array. In my table class, I am creating using the data source methods and delegate methods for table UI table view data source methods and delegate methods. Delegate methods for UITableView. So I am creating a function for that. I mean to pass array from UI view controller. Reload that. Reload with data. With data ns array comma with control with controller, from which controller we are getting the data. View controller. So I am declaring empty array. And I am declaring a present view controller time. Okay, then I am getting the data, my array with data and present view controller with controller. So I am calling the delegate method like data source method and delegate method. In class only, same class only, we are using self. Delegate self, and we are reloading the table view. Self dot reload data. Okay, and I am passing the number of rows in section. Based on the array, I am displaying the array. Number of rows in section based on the array count. Array dot count. So I am displaying the data in cell for row index. Let cell equal to table view dot dq reusable identifier. I am giving the identifier class. I am giving the same as a cell class. Table view cell class as index path dot row. Index path as same as index path. Calling as a my table view class. My table view cell class. I am giving same identifier for identifier also, and I am displaying the. So I have to give the connection label in the cell class from storyboard. Outlet connection. Connection means outlet connection. Outlet for connection. Outlet connection for UI label. My label. Naming for outlet connection for label. So I am displaying the data in cell dot my label dot text equals to my array index path dot row. For the I am passing the array at index as a string. Return type I am declaring cell. Cell I am passing that. So I have to give you the same identifier for the cell class also. I think already I have given that. Content view. Same class name and same identifier for the reusable identifier for cell. Yesterday I discussed about reusable identifier for that. So we have to be careful while giving the class name and the identifier. Identifier is same or not in the reusable identifier. So once again I am checking this for UI table view class. same class name and identifier. We have to check carefully in the class name also. So now we can run the program. Sorry, I am not passed the data from view controller class. So we are passing the array. Now I am passing the array to my table view class. For table view, my table view dot reload the data with the controller. I am passing the array, my array list as a array. I mean like NS array or array, anything we can give that. So within the same class only we are passing the data. So that So taking slow while running the simulator. So this is table view cell have display. This is the default customize the cell designing of UI label view. So thanks giving a lot. Please subscribe to my channel. And next video I am going to discuss how to navigate from one screen to another screen in table view. Thanks a lot.